Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make chicken stock easy. First, gather your main ingredients: about 2 pounds of chicken bones, a few carrots, celery stalks, and an onion. You'll also need some fresh herbs like parsley and a bay leaf. Place all these items into a large pot or a slow cooker. Ensure everything is covered by at least 1 inch of cold water. This simple start sets the foundation for a flavorful stock. Once your ingredients are in the pot, slowly bring the water to a gentle simmer over medium heat. It's crucial not to let it come to a rolling boil, as this can make the stock cloudy. As it heats, you might see some foam rise to the surface. Simply skim this off with a spoon. Let your stock simmer for a minimum of 4 hours, or even up to 24 hours for a richer, deeper flavor. After simmering, carefully remove the pot from the heat. Place a fine mesh sieve over a large heat-proof bowl or another pot. Slowly pour the entire contents of your stock through the sieve, allowing the liquid to separate from the solids. Discard all the cooked bones and vegetables. It is very important to let the strained stock cool completely to room temperature before you transfer it for storage. For short-term use, you can store your homemade chicken stock in airtight containers in the refrigerator for up to 4 days. If you've made a larger batch, it freezes beautifully. Pour it into freezer-safe bags or containers, leaving about 1 inch of headspace, and it will keep well for up to 6 months. Remember to check the description below for a link to grab some Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious, homemade stock.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.